Welcome to my channel Travel Lovers, your portal to exhilarating adventures across the globe. Watch breathtaking travel experiences and subscribe today and become a member of our travel-loving community. Today's video about Makkah, also spelled Mecca, is one of the holiest cities in Islam, located in Saudi Arabia. It is the birthplace of the Prophet Muhammad and the site of the Masjid al-Haram, the Grand Mosque, which houses the Kaaba, the most sacred structure in Islam. Every year, millions of Muslims from around the world travel to Makkah to perform Hajj, one of the 5 pillars of Islam, which is a religious obligation for Muslims who are physically and financially able to undertake the journey. Makkah key aspect are the Kaaba. This cube-shaped building at the center of the Masjid al-Haram is considered the house of Allah. Muslims face the Kaaba when they pray, regardless of where they are in the world. It is draped in a black cloth, the kiswa, that is embroidered with gold Quranic verses. Hajj, the annual pilgrimage to Makkah, which takes place during the Islamic month of Dhul al-Hijjah. Hajj is one of the 5 pillars of Islam and is a profound act of worship and submission to God. Muslims perform various rituals in and around Makkah, including walking 7 times around the Kaaba, Tawaf, and running between the hills of Safa and Marwa. The birthplace of Prophet Muhammad, Makkah is where Prophet Muhammad was born around 570 CE. The Prophet's life and teachings have a significant influence on the history of the city and the development of Islam. Masjid al-Haram, this mosque, which surrounds the Kaaba, is the largest mosque in the world and can accommodate millions of worshippers. It is a major pilgrimage destination, not only for Hajj but also for Umrah, a lesser pilgrimage that can be undertaken at any time of the year. Economic importance. Beyond its religious significance, Makkah is also an economic hub due to its role in tourism for religious purposes. Pilgrims contribute to the city's economy through accommodation, food, transportation, and services. Modern Makkah. Over the years, Makkah has seen major developments, including high-rise buildings, luxury hotels, shopping malls, and an expansion of the Masjid al-Haram to accommodate the increasing number of pilgrims. The King Abdulaziz International Airport is the gateway for many pilgrims traveling to the city. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe, like, comments, and share.